This video is recorded on the morning of Thursday, October 14th, and it's of a drive that I do at least once or twice a week from my house to Ideal Diner, located off of Central Avenue in Northeast Minneapolis. If you haven't heard of Ideal Diner, they've been around for many, many years. They're a staple of the area and community. Kim has owned it for many years now, and I can't recommend them enough. It's a favorite place for my wife and I to get breakfast in the morning. I always grab the French toast, and she gets the Polish man along with some shortcakes. So if you haven't, check them out. I posted their menu as well as their location for your reference. But without further ado, let's get to some FSD beta action. I paused the video here to make a note that with autopilot in the past, it would always want to try and come to a stop here as if there was a stop sign or traffic light in the area, which there isn't. But however, with FSD beta, it proceeds as it should, which is awesome to see. Alright, this is part 2 of the video where I will be heading the opposite direction, heading home from Ideal Diner. As you will see, the car carries a bit too much speed here and takes a really tight line towards the curb, so I ended up intervening just to make sure I didn't curb my wheels here.